Hi, Charlotte.
People change. Can you change? Can you accept the change from today? Can we take the child? Can we take the child to one side a second, because obviously he does want to be a dad. Can we try to sit down away from camera with Janet and see if we can find a common ground to put the past in the past and move forward? Yes or no? What? Yes. Janet, come here one second. So why are you? The very thing is, I have to say to Janet, she knows this much better than you. Listen.
Can you take the binky out and give her a kiss? Good girl. And then you put the binky right back in? Charlotte, look at her little feet. Want to tickle her toes? Oh, I think she's ticklish. Violet, are you ticklish, honey? Did you have a nice walk outside? Hi, Henry. Charlotte, do you enjoy climbing on my tummy?
Yeah.
It's a good thing Baby Violet isn't in there anymore. You'd be squishing her. Okay, not on her face. Just cover her hands. Good. Good girl. There's a good girl. Just watch your face. There's a good girl. Can you take your bank out and give her another kiss? You don't want to give her a kiss? Oh, don't cover her face. There you go. There's a good girl. You see, she gets scared when you cover her face, so just cover her hands. Gentle. There's a girl.